Hello, everyone. This is a science activity. I love science. Do you guys know that? I think I've told you before. This activity is the one that we're doing during teacher time called fireworks in a jar. Mine's in a cup, but that's okay. If you can't make teacher time, that's why we're doing it here, so you guys can do it too. It's super easy. I think you guys can do this almost all by yourselves too. As long as mom and dad give you the things, I think you can do it all on your own. So you need a cup that you can see through. If you can't see through it, you're not going to see your fireworks. So you need a cup you can see through, and you need that cup to be almost full of water. If you have it all the way full, it'll spill over. So you need to make sure you have space at the top. Sound good? Almost full of water. Then you need oil, a cup, and food coloring. You also need something to mix with, so you have to get a mixer. That'll work. And a popsicle stick. That's a mixer. So we're going to put our water off to the side, and we're going to do our oil first. So we're going to pour our oil into our cup, and we need about probably half a cup, I'm going to say. Do that much. It's just going to be enough to give us some on top of our water. So once we have our oil, we're going to add some food coloring. And when you put it in, you're going to notice it doesn't mix into there. It stays separate. So we're going to add our drops of color. We have drops that are red. And I have drops that are kind of like a green color. The lid says blue, but I don't think it's blue. Kind of more green. Or maybe even black. So do you see how they're not really mixing? They're kind of just sitting in there. We're going to mix it. But you're going to notice they're still not going to mix in. So we're going to mix. After you mix, you're going to see that it made a bunch of little beads in there. Do you guys see all those itty bitty beads? It's pretty crazy. My water looks pretty dark. I have some dark fireworks. So after you mix and you have all these little beads of color, you're going to take it and pour it slowly and carefully onto the top of your water. And you're going to notice it's kind of bubbly, right? But are those mixing? No, it's coming right back to the top. So we're going to pour this all in, and it's going to sit on top of our water. Do you see that? Do they mix together? No, they just chill on top, because oil and water, they don't mix. They always want to stay separate. But now is the part that we're going to wait and see what happens. What's going to start to happen is your color that's in your oil is going to start to slowly move to the bottom of your oil. And when it gets to the bottom of your oil, what do you think is going to happen? What happens when we mix food coloring with water? Does those things mix? Yeah, food coloring and water mix together. So when it gets to the bottom, what you're going to start to see happen is the color is going to start dissolving, which is a fun word, down into your water, making your fireworks. You guys can start to see it happen because it's starting to get low to the bottom. Can you guys see my color starting to come down? It's a little tricky to see. Look at that color starting to come down and make the fireworks. I feel like I want it more bright colors. Some pretty dark fireworks. They're starting to come down, and you can see your color starting to come down into your cup. It's starting to melt and dissolve out of the oil on top. Because oil and water, they don't mix. But food coloring and water, those things mix. So the longer you wait and are being patient, the more fireworks you'll start to see come down into your cup. You can also see what happens if you add more. I don't know what would happen if I added more. I'm going to add some more drops, and then I'm going to mix very gentle on the top to make them back into little beads. Ooh, do you see that one that just came down? Look at that. All of my fireworks are starting to move. Do you see that? That's a pretty cool firework jar. What do you guys think? I think that's a super cool experiment. You can see all the little drops starting to mix in. I guess my color was kind of more brown. The brown fireworks, that's okay. The brighter colors you use of food coloring, like bright green, bright red, bright blue, I think some of you might have pink or purple, are gonna make your fireworks even brighter, even more fun. You guys see mine? Pretty cool, huh? All right, guys, I hope you have a lot of fun making your own fireworks. Mine are getting pretty dark. I'll have a lot of fireworks. I will see you guys next time for more activities. All right, friends, see you next time.